Honda CR-V has been one of the most trusted compact SUVs globally, and for 2026, Honda refines that winning formula rather than reinventing it. The 2026 Honda CR-V focuses on smarter design updates, better interior quality, improved hybrid performance, and more intuitive technology, making it an even stronger choice for families and daily commuters. From the outside, the 2026 CR-V carries forward the bold and mature styling introduced in the previous generation, but with subtle refinements. The front fascia looks cleaner, with a slightly redesigned grille and sharper LED lighting that gives the SUV a more premium appearance. Higher trims feature updated alloy wheel designs that add sportiness without being flashy. Overall, the CR-V maintains its clean, confident stance, appealing to buyers who prefer timeless design over aggressive trends. Step inside, and the biggest strength of the 2026 CR-V becomes immediately clear: interior quality. Honda has focused on improving materials and fit and finish across the cabin. Soft touch surfaces are more widely used on the dashboard and door panels, while the layout remains simple and functional. Everything feels well put together, with controls placed exactly where you expect them to be. The seats are supportive and comfortable, especially for long drives, and rear seat legroom continues to be among the best in the segment. Cargo space remains generous, making the CR-V practical for road trips, grocery runs, or family use. Technology is another area where the 2026 CR-V quietly improves. The infotainment system is more responsive, with smoother graphics and quicker touch response. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard on most trims, reducing cable clutter. A digital driver display provides clear driving information, while higher trims offer a larger touchscreen and premium audio. Honda has also refined its voice recognition system, making it easier to control navigation and media without distraction. Safety remains a major highlight. The latest version of Honda Sensing comes standard, offering features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These systems work more smoothly than before, feeling less intrusive while still providing strong driver support. This makes the CR-V especially appealing to buyers who prioritize safety and peace of mind. Under the hood, the standard turbocharged engine delivers balanced performance, offering enough power for daily driving while maintaining good fuel efficiency. However, the real star of the lineup is the hybrid variant. The 2026 CR-V Hybrid benefits from improved power delivery and smoother transitions between electric and gasoline modes. Acceleration feels more refined, especially in city driving, where the electric motor does most of the work. Fuel economy is excellent, making the hybrid an ideal choice for those looking to reduce fuel costs without sacrificing space or comfort. On the road, the CR-V continues to shine with its comfortable and composed ride quality. Steering is light but precise. Suspension tuning absorbs bumps well, and cabin noise is kept to a minimum. Whether you're driving in traffic or cruising on the highway, the CR-V feels stable, predictable, and easy to live with. Overall, the 2026 Honda CR-V doesn't rely on dramatic changes. Instead, it focuses on refinement, comfort, efficiency, and smart technology. For buyers looking for a reliable, modern, and well-rounded compact SUV, the 2026 CR-V remains one of the strongest options in its class.